guys, this is Melissa from the House of Plaid Fuzz, and today I'm going to show you how to make burrito bowls. If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any of my new content. And if you're not, welcome back. Today I'm participating in a collaboration with a bunch of other YouTube creators for Meatless Monday recipes. Now, I am a longtime vegetarian, so every day is meatless for me. But something I noticed is that a lot of people who do eat meat on the regular are kind of intimidated by meatless recipes. Like I think a lot of times they have a hard time coming up with something to make. So the recipe I'm going to show you today is really tasty, plus it's just stupidly simple. Like it almost doesn't even qualify as a recipe. I am showing you how to make it in an Instant Pot, which if you don't have one, you definitely should get one. I like to say that my Instant Pot is what keeps me out of the drive-thru most of the time. But if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can easily make this in a rice cooker. I did that for years before I had an Instant Pot. This recipe is super customizable to like whatever your taste is. If there's something you'd like to throw in or omit, you can easily do that. This is probably on our meal plan at least once a week just because it's so cheap to make. It's super simple, it's super fast, and everybody likes it. My family likes that they can eat it with chips of their choice. They can put whatever toppings on it they want, or I can even use the leftovers and make them into burritos or enchiladas or whatever. So if you're looking for some Meatless Monday ideas that are tasty and really easy on your budget, you might want to add this to your meal plan. Without further ado, here is how to make burrito bowls.
We're going to start by adding 2 cups of brown rice. You can use white rice or whatever. You'll just want to reduce your cooking time. And next I'm going to add 4 cups of vegetable broth. I use water with a powdered vegetable broth mix. You can use water or veggie broth from a carton, whatever floats your boat. Next I'm going to add 1 cup of corn. Then I'm going to add a half a cup of salsa. And then finally, I'm going to add 1 can of black beans. If you have made these from scratch, you would just do 2 cups. You can also add some salt to taste if you'd like. Then we're going to put the lid of the Instant Pot on, make sure the valve is sealed. Then I'm going to set it to manual for 20 minutes. Now, if you were using white rice, you could just push the rice button, but since we're using brown, I want to set it for a few extra minutes. I let this natural release for 10 minutes, and then it's done. Just give it a stir, and it's ready to serve. Now, if you don't want to keep this vegan, you could throw a little cheese on it. My husband likes to add a little ranch dressing, but he likes ranch dressing on everything. I like to put this in a bowl and serve it with tortilla chips, but you could also use it as burrito filling. This is really frugal and really easy. And if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can make this in your regular rice cooker on whatever setting you usually cook rice. If you're using white rice, use the white rice setting. And if you're using brown rice, use the brown rice setting. And put the beans, the corn, and the salsa, just throw it all in the rice cooker. I did that for years before I had an Instant Pot. I hope you enjoyed this super quick, easy, and frugal Meatless Monday meal idea. Make sure you check out the playlist that I'm going to link in the description box below for a bunch of other great Meatless Monday recipe ideas from other YouTube creators. I'm also going to link my blog with the written recipe and my social media, all that good stuff. So check it out. And thanks so much for watching. I will catch you guys next time.